Hi everyone, welcome to Ryop Games. In this video, we will learn how to make parallax effect. In the parallax effect, the background moves in an endless loop. We have two methods for this. In this tutorial, we are gonna use second method. Let's learn the logic of this method with a simple example. As you can see, there are 5 different background images here. Select all backgrounds and set repeat as wrap mode. Don't forget to hit the apply button. Right click in the hierarchy panel, 3D object, plane. Set the rotation value like this. We don't need mesh collider. Drag and drop any background onto mesh renderer. Click material shader, unlit, transparent cutout. Fix scale. I prepared the code you see below and added it to the plane object. Thanks to this code, we can move the background in unlimited loop. Using this method, we can create parallax effect. I will create an empty object named background. Drag and drop plane object into background. I will copy as many as the number of background images with the Ctrl D shortcut. Rename it. I drag and drop one by one background images onto the mesh renderers. I will change layout. Set the positions of the backgrounds. As you can see, the background is very small, so I will increase its scale. When we start the game, the background does not move as we want. Select background and add parallax controller script. And open up. We came to the most important part of the video. We'll write excellent algorithm for parallax effect. First, I write the variables that we will use. With the background speed calculate void, we set the speed of each background according to the distance from the camera. Okay, our script is ready. Let's test. I want the background object to move with the camera. Great! The algorithm works we want. We can change our background speed by changing the parallax speed value. If we set the parallax speed to 0, the background will no longer move. If you increase the parallax speed, the background will move faster. You can try and find best speed for you. I hope this video was helpful for you. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video.